In today's world, it feels like we're constantly upgrading our gadgets, replacing old devices with new ones, and throwing away products that still work. But have you ever wondered why this happens? What if I told you that many of these products are designed to wear out, break, or become outdated on purpose? This is called planned obsolescence. The idea of planned obsolescence was first introduced by an economist named Bernard London in 1932. During the Great Depression, London published a pamphlet titled Ending the Depression Through Planned Obsolescence. His idea? To help boost the economy, he suggested that products should be designed to wear out after a certain amount of time, forcing consumers to buy new ones. But while Bernard London may have been the first to formally propose it, planned obsolescence was already happening. Take the Phoebus cartel in the 1920s, for example. A group of light bulb manufacturers, including big names like General Electric, agreed to limit the lifespan of light bulbs to just 1,000 hours, even though it was possible to make them last longer. Why? To ensure that consumers would need to buy replacements more often. And then there's the automotive industry in the 1920s. General Motors, under Alfred P. Sloan, started releasing new car models every year with slight updates. Even if your car was still in great shape, it suddenly seemed outdated because the new models were seen as better. This made people want to trade in their cars sooner than they would have otherwise. Fast forward to today, and planned obsolescence is everywhere. It's in the smartphones that stop getting software updates after a few years, or the appliances that break just after the warranty expires. But why does this matter? While it may seem like a smart business strategy to make products that people need to replace often, it has a dark side. Planned obsolescence creates a lot of waste. Electronics end up in landfills, and valuable resources are wasted. In fact, it's estimated that over 50 million tons of e-waste are discarded every year. That's not just bad for the environment, it's bad for all of us. But the environmental cost is only one part of the problem. Consumers are spending more money than they need to. We're constantly pressured to upgrade, even when our devices or appliances are still working fine. And let's not forget the toll on our wallets. It can feel like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of consumption. But not all hope is lost. Some companies and movements are pushing back against planned obsolescence. There's a growing trend towards sustainability, with companies making products that are designed to last longer and be easily repaired. We're also seeing a rise in repair shops and recycling programs, helping us reduce waste and make the most of what we already have. And here's where Bitcoin comes in. While Bitcoin is often discussed for its financial potential, it offers a new approach to sustainability and transparency. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning there's no central authority controlling it. This decentralization empowers individuals and communities to make sustainable financial choices and recycle wealth in ways that benefit the long term. Unlike traditional financial systems, Bitcoin doesn't rely on centralized institutions that prioritize profits over sustainability. Some Bitcoin miners are even adopting renewable energy sources to power their operations, reducing their environmental footprint. The shift to energy-efficient mining practices could set a precedent for industries looking to balance profit with sustainability. The blockchain technology behind Bitcoin also offers exciting possibilities for combating planned obsolescence. Blockchain provides a transparent, immutable ledger that can track a product's life cycle, from production to disposal. Imagine if companies had to publicly disclose how long their products were designed to last, making it easier for consumers to choose sustainable options. With blockchain, this kind of transparency is possible, holding companies accountable for the longevity of their products. By adopting Bitcoin and its underlying technology, we can challenge the systems that encourage wasteful consumption. Bitcoin's decentralized nature allows for a shift away from traditional, profit-driven industries that thrive on planned obsolescence. Instead, it offers a path to a more sustainable economy, where value is placed on long-term use and responsible consumption. Bitcoin isn't just about money. It's about reshaping the way we think about value, consumption, and our planet. As we face challenges like resource depletion, adopting systems that promote sustainability and longevity could be the key to building a better future. For more information or help with anything to do with Bitcoin and crypto, go to orangebrickroad.com.au or use the link in the description.
Navigate the crypto world with confidence. Orange Brick Road, your path to understanding.